ask you this question. What if I told you that there are Nigerian stocks you can buy for less than 10 naira that can actually double your money or even give you times 10 increase of your money? You see, I'm not talking about betting here. I'm talking about penny stocks. Yes. Welcome to Money Mindset with Ima, the channel where we teach you that money starts with your mindset. I am Immaculata. I'm a certified financial advisor with over 8 years of experience helping Nigerians to build financial freedom. So on this channel, we break down investing, smart money decisions, and wealth building strategies that actually work here in Nigeria. And if this is your first time here, then hit the subscribe button and turn your bell notification so you never miss out on any update from us here. And if you are tired of just surviving and you are ready to start positioning yourself, then stay with me here till the end of this video. When I mention penny stocks, some people ask me, what are you talking about? Is it penny and shilling? No, that is not what I'm talking about. Penny stocks are simply low priced shares, usually trading below 10 naira on the Nigerian exchange. And this is where both big opportunities and also big losses happened in penny stocks. So penny stocks are cheap shares. You can see between 50 kobo to 10 naira, that is always their price. So they are often ignored by big investors, and sometimes they are undervalued. Some other times they are risky. But here is the truth. Some of them are turnaround companies. Some of them are growing sectors, and also they are simply waiting for attention. And whenever they get that attention, you could see the massive growth. They move so fast. That is when they get the attention. Now, you might be wondering, so why do people invest in penny stocks? Let me break that down for you. Number one is low entry. You can start with small amount of money. And then number two is high return potential. They actually have high return potential. Then number three is diversification, because they diversified across sectors. Number four is that they have hidden undervalued gems, and they are fast moving opportunities. But I need you to also remember this: high return always comes with high risk. High return always comes with high risk. So because of that, you need to know that as you're buying any stock or penny stock that has a lot of high return, you can actually also lose your money. How do you pick the right penny stocks? Number one, you have to check their financials. You can always go to the NGX website to check out for their financials. All the company's financials are always in the NGX group website. So you can always go there and check it out before you buy any penny stocks of your choice. Number two things to do is to watch out for their trading volumes. Yes, go to the NGX website and watch out for their trading volume. And also, number three is you need to understand the sector. So don't just invest based on hype on social media. You need to invest based on what knowledge that you have gained, you've gathered about that company. So now, let me now show you why 2026 is a massive opportunity for Nigerians to invest in penny stocks. So Nigeria's insurance penetration is still below 1% GDP, and some estimates even say it is 0.3% or 0.4%. Do you know what that means? That means that millions of Nigerians are still uninsured. But that is even where the opportunity is. That is where the big opportunity is. Let me make it real for you. So if you go to a private hospital today, as we speak, if you go to a private hospital, consultation alone can cost you between 15,000 to 50,000. And that is just to see a doctor. That is just to see a doctor. But do you know that with HMO, you pay nothing from your pocket? That alone made me to actually subscribe, to an HMO plan. And now I will pay to the HMO, then the HMO will pay to the hospital. That has made life easier for me and my family. So you can see that health is no longer an emergency to me because it is already taken care of. But when you wait until you fall sick before now looking for money to now go to the hospital, that will make health to be an emergency to you. Anytime you are sick, you'll be thinking or praying you don't want to fall sick because of what? It is an emergency. And it is not supposed to be like that. And now Nigerians are actually waking up, and I'm so impressed. Nigerians are waking up because over 20 million Nigerians now have health insurance. The industry has also generated about 1.5 trillion naira in premiums alone. Growth is close to 50% year on year. So that is massive. So what does this now mean to you as an investor? You can see that in the insurance sector now, they have more customers, they are going to be recording more revenue, more profits, and that is why insurance stocks like ICO, Cornerstone, Sovereign Trust are actually positioning themselves for growth. Smart investors don't wait for news, they position before the crowd. So that is why you need to get this information so you can position yourself before the crowd will understand or will get the clue of what is happening. Now let's look at the core stocks pick for you that you can look at for. So number one on our list is Champs. Champs is around 4 naira 2 kobo. You can enter in it now and exit when it is doing 8 naira or 10 naira thereabout. ICO is 4 naira 14 kobo. You can enter now and exit when it is doing maybe 10 naira or 12 naira. Japol is 3 naira 55 kobo. You can enter when it dip or even now and exit when it is doing 20 to 40%. Then Uni Insure is doing 1 naira 27 kobo. You can enter now and exit when it's doing 3-5 naira thereabout. Cornerstone is doing 5 naira 79 kobo. You can enter now and exit between 10 naira to 15 naira. Boutiques is doing 3 naira 5 kobo. You can enter now and exit when it is doing between 7 naira 10 naira or thereabout. Then Sovereign Insurance is doing 2 naira 6 kobo. You can enter now and exit between maybe 6 naira to 10 naira. Now, let me also give you more stocks to watch because this 2026, a lot of these stocks will grow. ABC Transport is 6 naira 24 kobo. Academy Press is 8 naira 40 kobo. Austin Lars is 4 naira 45 kobo. Deep Cap is 6 naira 45 kobo. FTN Cocoa is 6 naira 15 kobo. Lasaco is 2 naira 27 kobo. Linkage Assurance is 1 naira 62 kobo. Then Livestock Feeds is 8 naira 10 kobo. Mutual Benefits is 4 naira 55 kobo. Mikni Calls is 6 naira 15 kobo. NSL Tech is 1 naira 32 kobo. Omatech is 2 naira 36 kobo. Prestige is 1 naira 65 kobo. These are stocks showing activity on the NGX, interest and also potential positioning. Let me be honest with you. Penny stocks can make you money very fast, but they can also take your money. Yes, they can also take your money. So you need to be very smart when you're investing in penny stocks. Don't invest blindly and don't go all in penny stock. Just use small capital and start. Do you know that if you want to grow small money in Nigeria, then you cannot ignore penny stocks. Yes, you cannot ignore penny stocks. If you have about 100,000, 200,000, 500, 1 million, you can't ignore penny stocks because this is the place where this money can be doubled or even give you times 10 of that money in just a short time. So that is why if you're investing, if you really want to grow your small money, then think of penny stocks. But you must be very, very smart. Like I said, you must be very smart. So if this video has helped you to understand the penny stocks to buy or even watch out for in this 2026, then give us a like, subscribe to the channel at Money Mindset with Ima, comment below the stock you are watching right now or you are about to buy, and also share this video to your brothers and sisters, your friends, your family, and also your social media handle, because someone will be waiting to hear and also take position. So remember that money has a mindset. So think smart, act wisely, and grow your wealth always. Thank you for watching. Bye.